Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hello, Peekaboo! Stand her up. Oh, the other way. I want to... There we go. There's the little stinger on her butt. Stand up and walk, Becca. She's eating the candy. Look at the little stinger on your butt. Hello, Peekaboo.
Back up.
That's good. You want to take the video camera over there.
Jacob. Hey, Jake, what you doing, pumpkin boy?
Oh, you got 15 pictures, you said?
Hey, pumpkin boy. What you doing?
No, don't grab the wings, buddy.
Says the wings are cool.
Stand him up so I can get the whole thing.
Buddy.
Oh, there's the pumpkin boy. Hey, pumpkin boy.
It actually fits him pretty good, except for the arms.
Yeah. I only had to roll it once. I wanted it to be baggy because then it looks like a pumpkin.
Right.
Oh, that's got it.
It's all elastic, so
Okay, I do. What?
that fits her perfectly.
I do so.
That's a 6 to 12 month one.
Oh, nice.
I know, I measured because I held it up to the store and I went,
Hi,
this
Jacob.
looks big. And I held up the 18 month one and I went, this looks huge. Jeez.
Sheila?
You're gonna run into Jacob.
Jacob. And she was with me, so I measured it up to her.
Sheila. Is that a good one?
Careful.
Jacob, 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 Jacob.
Whoa.
Yeah, alright, oh, great.
Well, we're waiting for Kim.
For who?
Kim, his sister. She wanted to come too.
Oh.
But she should be here any minute because she left like
Yeah, right.
10 or 15 minutes ago.
Oh, you know when she left?
Yeah, Bella called right away. Because we weren't going to wait for her because she's always late.
Mama.
Hello.
Hello, Mama.
I love this statement.
Salad. And then have cake later. It's always good for cake.
She's so inconsequential.
Oh, play peekaboo. That's why I turned this on. Go back. Go back and play peekaboo. Becca, go back and play peekaboo with Jacob.
Nearby.
Well, good Jacob, Becca.
Will you come back and play peekaboo, please?
Well, good Jacob.
I turned this on for a reason.
Look at her.
Oh, jeez.
She is a ham. She looks a lot different with teeth.
What was that?
Spaz.
Go show Daddy the calculator.
Gee. Oh, no!
Dance. Dance. Show Daddy. Okay, turn it off.
Bye-bye.
You go. Good.
Johnny's checking out the You know he'll
Yeah.
have a few words. We'll tell him to brush the
You
grass.
eating all by yourself?
That was too steep a dip. Larry Nelson. His second shot. And his team is 6 under now.
You're doing a good job.
And the leader's Floyd.
Yes, you are. Is that good? Is that good? Mmm. Nom.
Larry and Drew Nelson, youngest competitors in this 14 father-son tandem field. Larry, you mentioned turning 50.
There's Daddy and Micah.
Just 19 years old, and you take a look at Johnny Miller.
There's Micah Boots.
Bit of an upslope here, which is
Oh, looks like we're getting low on battery
not exactly what you want.
Why'd you say that?
because the battery light's flashing.
Oh.
Let's get a good look at Micah. Oh, there he is. He is 1 month old.
2 months old.
2 months old. And he's doing very good. And we just found out he gained 4 pounds and grew 4 inches in 8 weeks. He's a growing boy. Okay, say bye-bye. Okay, we'll say bye-bye to Becca. Bye-bye, Becca. Bye-bye. There's Becca who's eating. Look at how good she's eating. Oh, with a spoon. Ah. Yes. Show everybody how you can eat. Eat. Becca, eat. Mmm, yum. Num, num, num. Yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, wait, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Low kiss. Mmm. Good girl. Here's Micah, 2 months old. And he can smile now. Yes, he can. He can smile. He can smile. Hello, big boy. Hello. Becca, no, let go of the camera. Hello, big boy. Smile for everybody. Smile. Hi. Hello. Yeah, Micah. Micah, hello. Hello. Hello, big boy. Oh, yes. You want to be in the picture? Oh, kiss the baby. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Becca, smile for the camera. Oh, you're so cute. Mwah. Good girl. Becca. Oh, be nice, good girl. I don't know if he likes that. There he is. There's the big boys. Hello. Hi. No. He doesn't want the baba. Thank you. Micah. No, don't get fussy. Don't get fussy. Don't get fussy. It's okay. Oh, good girl, Becca. Becca, you want to wave bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Wave bye-bye, Becca. Oh, blow a kiss. Oh, yes. Oh, that was very nice. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh, hug the babies. Okay, say bye-bye, Becca. Can you wave bye-bye? Oh, blow a kiss. Okay. Yes, you're cute.